In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom indicators to Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place your indicator files and how to load them onto a chart so you can start using them right away. First, open Metatrader 5 on your computer and make sure the platform is running with any chart open. We're going to locate the folder where MT5 stores its scripts and indicators so we can add your custom file to the right place. At the top left of the platform, click the File menu. This menu gives you access to key platform actions and, importantly, the application's working directory. From that menu, choose Open Data Folder. A new File Explorer window will appear. This is the core directory where Metatrader keeps its configuration files, profiles, and code. Inside this window, open the MQL5 folder. That folder contains all the code-related subfolders for MT5. Next, open the Indicators folder. This is the exact location where custom indicators belong. Keeping your indicators here ensures MT5 can find and load them correctly. Now paste your indicator file into this indicators folder. Most indicators come as either .x5 already compiled and ready to use, or .mqa source code. If the indicator arrived in a compressed archive, extract it first and only paste the X or MQ file. As a best practice, use indicators from trusted sources to avoid issues. Return to Metatrader 5 and open the Navigator panel, which is where indicators, expert advisors, and scripts are listed. If you don't see the Navigator, you can open it from the View menu or with a quick shortcut, depending on your setup. In the Navigator, expand Indicators. Your newly added custom indicator should appear in this list. If it doesn't show up immediately, right-click the Indicators heading and select Refresh, or simply restart the platform so MT5 rescans the folder. To use the indicator, drag it from the Navigator onto your chart or double-click its name. A settings window will pop up, allowing you to review inputs, colors, and visualization options. Adjust the inputs as needed, then click OK. The indicator will plot on your chart and respond to your market data in real time. If you pasted a .mq5 file and it doesn't appear, it may need to compile. Opening it in Metaeditor will compile it automatically. Any error messages there can help you troubleshoot. Also, if you manage a lot of tools, keeping indicator files clearly named will make them easier to find later. That's it. You've added a custom indicator to Metatrader 5 and you're ready to analyze the market with your new tool.